Hey, good people, how you doing? This is Tracy, passionately intrigued arts, the garden spot. I'm cleaning up these tomatillos and tomatoes. They're dying out, but yet they're still producing. I have cut down so much that is dying out, and I'm going to take it over to the pit, fire pit, and burn all this. Still got a little bit more pruning to do. I'm going to get these beds cleaned out the best I can because it is fall here in zone 6A and it will be cold pretty soon. It gets in the 50s, low 50s at night. But I'm trying to hold on to these the best I can to get as much as I can get. I'm even picking small ones. I don't care. I'll take it. Doggone it. Two of those green ones just fell off. They aren't ready. I just knocked them off. Tomatoes. I don't know what kind of tomatoes those are. But I'm even picking the small ones because I don't care. I'll take the hulls off and I think I'm going to make some salsa or something. But I even have a couple purple tomatillos. But I got this container full and I've got some more borage and just a couple tomatoes that I've harvested today. I'm gonna take the rest of these dead leaves off and give it some room to breathe and produce whatever else it can produce for me. I think I did pretty good. But it also has, now this is the first time I've seen it on these tomatillos. It has, what do you call it? Where the leaves turn powdery. Powdery mildew. Powdery mildew. I haven't seen it. I thought that was just for squash. So I've made up a milk mixture, milk and water. And I'm going to spray these real good, I hope. And get rid of that. A lot of the leaves are powdery now. See if I can take care of that or cut these leaves off, but that's a lot of cutting. This is a big one. Look how powdery that is. Can you see that? So I'm going to leave them on here as long as I can to see how big they'll get. And if they don't get big or bigger, I'm going to take down what I can. Those that have started, that have a tomatillo inside. Doesn't matter what size they are. I want them bigger. If they don't get bigger, I'm going to harvest them anyway. My mixture here is, I've got 1/3 part milk, 2/3 water. Probably a bit strong, but we're going to see. And I'll treat them again tomorrow if I need to. Now the tomato leaves don't have it, it's just the tomatillo leaves. These here are my purple tomatillos. I only got two or three off of this one. There's a lot of little ones growing on here, but I only got two that I was able to harvest so far. Here I come to save the day. I hope. I hope. Anywho, that's enough. Thank you for watching. Peace and love. Happy growing. We'll see you soon. I always say that's enough when I'm done, and I keep going, don't I? Always. See the rest of this. I got a couple of squash plants. I'm going to treat those. And a couple more tomatoes that I can pick from the other bush. Some of these are blushing, but they're not quite ready. Big time pruning, but I've got tomatillos left, and we're gonna see how they do all throughout, and a few tomatoes. And this is my other tomato plant. This was a volunteer, so we got a lot of green ones on there and a few that are blushing, and I took like 3 of them off today. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Happy growing.